Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy your tokens on Poocoin using your Trust Wallet application step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, we're going to be opening up Trust Wallet and heading to this browser right here. Once at the browser, we're going to be clicking on poocoin.app. That's poocoin.app. Click on this connect right here. It's highlighted in white, then click on Trust Wallet. A connect the app menu pops up and you click on connect, and now your wallet has automatically been connected to Poocoin. After the connection, all you simply need to do is select the currency you'd like to swap, and this can be done by tapping on this trade right here. Once you've tapped on trade, this menu pops up, this exchange section pops up, and you simply put in the amount of coins you'd like to trade. I'd like to trade USDT for approximately 1 USDT for BNB. We'll use that format to be able to get the amount we're looking for. And once you copy this, once you've clicked copy, you flip it over and simply paste what you just copied. Click on swap. A smart contract call pops up for a network fee of 0.74. Okay, click on approve and it begins swapping. And I believe, okay, our balance has been changed. Yes, now we have USDT. If you look over here, we actually have 1 USDT. And if you head back to the tokens menu and you reload, and you reload, and you reload, and you reload, our USDT has popped up on the BEP20 network. That's 1 USDT. So guys, that's how you simply buy your tokens on the Poocoin website. Comment down below if you have any question concerning how to go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.